Welcome to a brand new sub-strand compound, proportions and rates of work. We begin with a skill you will use for life, dividing quantities into proportional parts. Here is the situation. 3 siblings, Achieng, Baraka, and Chebet, helped on the family farm, and their mother gives them 900 shillings to share. But they did not work equally, so she says, share it in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4. Now, should each one simply take 300? No. Equal shares would ignore the ratio completely. So how much does each sibling actually get? By the end of this lesson, you will settle any sharing dispute like this in 3 quick steps. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first explain what it means to divide a quantity into proportional parts using a ratio. Second, divide any quantity in a given ratio with one reliable method: total parts, fraction, share. And third, apply proportional sharing to real life: money, land, learners in a school, and business profits. Let's build the method properly with a picture you can always draw for yourself. Say Zawadi and Kip pick mangoes together, and they agree to share 20 mangoes in the ratio 2 to 3. The ratio 2 to 3 means the mangoes are split into equal parts, 2 parts for Zawadi and 3 parts for Kip. Draw that as a strip, 5 equal boxes in a row. Step 1, add the ratio numbers. 2 plus 3, 5 parts in total. Not 2 people, 5 parts. Step 2, divide the quantity by the total parts. 20 divided by 5, each part is worth 4 mangoes. Step 3, give each person their parts. Zawadi, 2 parts of 4, 8 mangoes. Kip, 3 parts of 4, 12. And check, 8 plus 12 is 20. It always adds back. Here is the same idea as one rule. Each share is its ratio number over the total parts, that is a fraction of the whole times the quantity. Zawadi's share was 2/5 of 20, which is 8. This one rule is the entire lesson. 1. Warning: the classic mistake. Never divide by the number of people. 2 people shared the mangoes, but we divided by 5 because the ratio made 5 parts. Always divide by the total parts. Worked example 1 ratios with 2 parts. A. Wanjiku and Otieno are paid 1,500 shillings for a job, shared in the ratio 3 to 2. How much does each get? A. First, the total parts. 3 plus 2, 5. Wanjiku's ratio number is 3, so she gets 3/5 of the money, 3/5 of 1,500, 900 shillings. Otieno gets 2/5, 2/5 of 1,500, 600 shillings. Check it. 900 plus 600 is 1,500, the whole amount. The shares always add back. B. Divide 40 kilograms of maize between a school kitchen and a store in the ratio 1 to 4. Total parts: 1 plus 4, 5. The kitchen gets 1/5 of 48 kilograms, and the store gets 4/5 of 40, 32 kilograms. 8 plus 32, 40. Perfect. Notice the rhythm: total parts, fraction, multiply. 3 moves every time. Worked example 2, more than 2 people. And yes, it is time to settle the dispute from the start of the lesson. 900 shillings shared by Achieng, Baraka, and Chebet in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4. A. Add all the ratio numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9 parts. Achieng gets 2 9s of 900, 200 shillings. Baraka gets 3 9s, that is a third, 300 shillings. And Chebet, who worked the most, gets 4 9s, 400 shillings. 200, 300, 400, and they add back to 900 exactly. Dispute settled, fairly. Part B, 4 parts this time, sharing land. A grandmother leaves 44 hectares of land to 4 grandchildren, Juma, Nema, Sifa, and Tabu, in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5 to 1. Total parts: 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, 11. 44 divided by 11 is 4, so each part is 4 hectares. Juma, 2/11 of 44, 8 hectares. Nima, 3/11, 12 hectares. Sifa, 5/11, 20 hectares. And Tabu, 1/11, 4 hectares. Check. 8 plus 12 plus 20 plus 4, 44 hectares. However many people share, the method never changes. Total parts, fraction, multiply. Proportional parts are everywhere in Kenya's school records, business partnerships, family land. 2 quick problems. Problem 1. A school has 540 learners, and the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 5. How many boys and how many girls? Total parts. 4 plus 5, 9. Boys take 4 nines of 540. 540 divided by 9 is 60 times 4, 240 boys. Girls take 5 nines, 300 girls. And 240 plus 300 is 540. It checks. Problem 2. Mumbi and Njeri run a shop together. Mumbi invested more, so they share a profit of 24,000 shillings in the ratio 5 to 3. How much does each partner get? Total parts, 5 plus 3, 8. 24,000 divided by 8 is 3,000 per part. Mumbi, 5 parts, 15,000 shillings. Njeri, 3 parts, 9,000. Together, 24,000. Exactly how real business partners split profit. Let's close the loop on everything you set out to learn today. First, add the ratio numbers to find the total parts, never divide by the number of people. Then, each share is its ratio number over the total parts times the quantity, a fraction of the whole. And always check, the shares must add back to the whole quantity. If they don't, something slipped. Your practice, pause and try all 4. A, divide 60 in the ratio 2 to 3. B, divide 350 shillings in the ratio 3 to 4. C, share 90 mangoes in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. D, a class of 63 learners has boys to girls in the ratio 5 to 2. How many of each? Answers. A, 5 parts of 12, 24 and 36. B, 7 parts of 50, 150 and 200. C, 6 parts of 15, 15, 30 and 45. D, 7 parts of 9, 45 boys and 18 girls. Well done, that's dividing quantities into proportional parts. Take the practice quiz below to lock it in fresh numbers every attempt. Next lesson, relating different ratios. See you there.